All right, so here we go. 1 1/5 divided by 4 1/2. So we're dividing two fractions. So how do we divide two fractions? Well, again, like those instructions I just gave you, when you're, let me write it again real quick. It's worth it one more time. When you're adding, subtracting mixed, what does that mean? Number one, if you're, I know we're not adding, subtracting, but I'm just giving you both sets of instructions for clarity. Common, if you're adding, subtracting, common denominator is needed. Step two, you can just leave them mixed. But if you're multiplying, dividing mixed like we are, that's what our problem is. Number one, no common denominator required. You don't have to get a common denominator, but you must, here's the crucial thing, you must change to improper. So you got to remember that you can't do dividing or multiplying of mixed numbers and leave them mixed. You have to change to improper. So that's step number one. So multiply and add. 1 times 5 is 5, add 1 is 6/5, divided by 4 times 2 is 8, add 1 is 9/2. So there it is. That's the first step. I changed them. It's step number 2, because step number 1 is a not required step. So I changed to improper. That's step number 1. And now you know what to do from here. It's the keep, change, flip, right? Keep this, change this, flip this. So keep this as 6/5, change to multiplication, flip this 2 9. Why? Because dividing is upside down multiplying. Dividing and multiplying are upside down. So there we go. How do we finish up this problem? There's two ways you could do it. You can go straight or you can cross cancel. It's always a little bit quicker, smaller numbers to cross cancel. So I'm going to go divide by 3 and divide by 3. That leaves not a 2. That leaves a 3 and that leaves a 2. Right? I just divided both of those by 3. I cross diagonal canceled and then multiply what's left over. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. Done. We've got it. Or the other way you could have gone is you could, with 6/5 times 2/9, you just could have gone straight. 6 times 2, 5 times 9, you get 12/45. See how we get bigger numbers? That's why we like cross canceling, because it reduces the numbers early. Now I'll still get the same answer, but I have a little bit harder work to do. I'd have to reduce late, divide by 3. It's just a little bigger. 4/15, same answer in the end. It's just you got to deal with bigger numbers. It's better to cross cancel in the beginning. That reduces them early. So there we go. There is question number 7. Questions on that one?